What is an Irish pub lock-in and its cultural context? Imagine finishing a lively night out in Ireland and thinking the evening is over. Then, suddenly, the pub staff quietly lower the blinds and lock the doors. But inside, the fun continues. That's what an Irish pub lock-in is. It's a secret, informal extension of the night where regulars and trusted friends stay inside after official closing time. The pub appears closed from the outside, with the doors locked and lights dimmed. But inside, people keep talking, singing, and enjoying traditional Irish music. Sometimes there are storytelling sessions or spontaneous jigs. The staff might pause the music briefly, then restart it once everyone is settled. This practice usually begins quietly, with no loud announcements. It's often reserved for regular customers who are trusted and known to the staff. Strangers usually aren't invited, and outsiders might not even realize it's happening. The lock-in is not a legal event but a social one. It's a way for the community to bond and enjoy each other's company beyond the usual hours. In Irish culture, pubs are more than just places to drink. They are community hubs where friendships grow and stories are shared. The lock-in reflects this deep sense of hospitality and connection. It's like getting extra time with friends, a kind of social overtime. For travelers, witnessing or being part of a lock-in can feel like a warm welcome into local life. It shows that you've made a good impression and are trusted. This tradition highlights patience, respect for the musicians and regulars, and the slow, relaxed rhythm of Irish pub life after hours. While city pubs might have stricter rules, rural pubs and smaller communities still keep this tradition alive. Remember, it's unofficial and outside legal drinking hours, so it's best to approach with respect and discretion. In essence, a pub lock-in is a cozy, extended gathering that keeps Irish social and musical traditions alive well into the night. It's a special way to experience the true spirit of Irish pub culture, where the warmth of community and good company never truly ends.